हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आसोलना आंबेली. आयज एक तरेची म्हाका खुशालकाय की हे दिसांनी आमकां आमचो जो एक्टिविजम म्हणून जे जल्मान आयलें, चडशें एक्टिविजम दिश्टी पडलें गेले 15 वर्सांनी. तितून आतां एक तरेचे सेलिब्रिटी एक्टिविस्टूय जावपाक पावले काय दिसता. आतां सेलिब्रिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ आजकाल मिनिस्टरांची, चीफ मिनिस्टरांची भुरगीं एक्टिविस्ट जावपाक फुडें सरली. तो ही एक बरी खबर. आनी हे गोंया पासतूय घडये बरें जावंक शकता. इफ द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ दीस मिनिस्टर्स ऑर CM behave like very honest, chintit voters, if these children behave as voters and not only as supporters, because there will be a difference between being a voter and a supporter. A supporter always supports even if the nonsense is going on with the ministers or MLA, whatever they are doing, they'll blindly support because they have no choice. Whereas a voter is an informed citizen who will decide whether it is good, bad or ugly. So welcome to the world of activism to the children of ministers and the chief minister also. पहिले स्वादेर येवकार दिता पार्थिवी सावंत. पार्थिवी सावंत ही जावन आसा धूव आमच्या गोंयचे मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताची. It is good, nice that we saw you at Azad Maidan. And when people raise their voices against whatever, good, bad, ugly, whatever it is, in your favor, whose favor, I am not underlining that, but you came to raise your voice. So we consider that now you are also one among all of us activists, as long as it is in the interest of Goa. Parthivi, what I see in you is, of course, you are going to be a good leader, no doubt. And what is very important and striking about you, I noticed, is that you are a very sober, very cool personality of yours, sending the message across without much much great vocabulary nor much acting. There is so much of body language, but you have that capacity to deliver what is needed to be delivered with your cool, composed mind, composed body language, maybe just like your father. So first of all, welcome to the activists of Goa. Second in line is the daughter of amcho Bab Govind Gowde. Teji Dhru, Shravani, welcome to you among the activists of Goa. माझे सदांच एक स्वप्न आसलेलें that new children should come into activism. जावं ती Gen Z जावं Gen Alpha. तर आमचे मी तो I am coming from baby boomers. So, and Gen X. Then we have Gen Millenniums, Gen Z, and now we have also Gen Alpha. And now the latest, the Gen Beta. Of course, the Gen Beta, and thoda tapani, they will also be vocal. So welcome, Shravani Bhai. Welcome to the world of activism, especially in Goa. And म्हाजो आवडो पार्थिवीक तशेंच तुकाय एज एक्टिविस्ट ऑफ गोवा टू डू this activism in the interest of Goa, in the well-being of Goa. Again, for you also, I will request you, be a responsible, conscious voter, conscious citizen, not just a supporter. Karan, supporter munche, I said, we blindly support, even the things are bad, because you are a supporter of a particular person. See if you can take care of this. As per you, what I've seen in you, you are really, again, the daughter of Govind Bab Gowde. Just as a good oratorship in your father, you are a very good orator. And I think both the daughters of the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and Bab Govind Gowde, both have got the genes of your fathers. As I said, Parthivi is cool, composed, just like her father. And you, Shravani, you are just like your father, a good orator. So thank you and welcome to the world of activism. But ह्या आमच्या माणकुल्या गोंय सांबाळपाक be a conscious, alert citizen to save Goa. Don't be the supporters of a particular MLA or a particular chief minister. The next in line is a son of a politician, Bab Surin Dhaulekaracho Put. Here, I may not be able to call him as an activist, but welcome to the world of Gen Z. Welcome. Karan, directly or indirectly, it has been portrayed that you are entering into politics and may contest elections. So Mithil Dhaulekar, welcome. And तुम्ही सगळी भुरगीं पळय दोग जाण चेडवां एकलो चेडो सद्याक तुम्ही तुमचे फुडले फ्युचर पावल मागतात. तुम्ही तिगाय जरी तर गोंयच्या पासत चिंतून पावलां मारली जायत हे गोंय आमचे खूब सुंदर उरतले, गोंय आमचे सुरक्षीत उरतले. आय एम नॉट वन पर्सन हू विल अटॅच द चिल्ड्रन of a particular parents that they will do the same thing what their parents are doing. Many a time the new Gen Z model children, they sometimes do diametrically something different from what their parents might have done. So in case there are issues that whatever decisions your parents have done, if they are not right, do stand up and say, yes, this is what I don't agree as a voter, as a responsible citizen. And हे सगळें करपाक आमचो सदांच तुका तेंको आसतलो. Best of luck. May God bless you, all three of you. Parthivi, Shravani, and Mithil. Welcome to the world of activism for the good and glory of आमच्या माणकुलें गोंय. देव बरें करूं. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.